Ado edeno na owe woman of say pe mo yari ballad e Urhobo ni mo no spa kona aso wo gbe ka wo ka back in time agbakiro is more like a linking type of poem. That is, the ending of the sentence begins the start of another. Wagbakiro ona. Osobuko uko obukedo edo ise olis agbo ogbi wori oworeke eke oki gogo iye rikpo logene na tamumu koko ayi bolo efulodio emetere riri ayi tipire kegba akere mikire odela iro gbeyin. Apart from hearing this from me today, have you heard this song before? Have you heard this ballad before? Let's take it from beginning again. Osobuko uko obukedo edo ise olisagbo agbo ogbi wori oworeke eke oki gogo ogo iye rikpo logene na tamumu koko ayi bolo evulodio emetere riri ayi tipire kegba akere mikire odela iro gbeyin. So who knows Ogbeyi's wife? You know Ogbeyi? Say akere mikire odela iro gbeyin. That is, you don't give me, I will not eat. I'm like, hey, you understand? That's it. If you liked it, so please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. So when they say that Urhobo don't have ballad, you tell them you have ballad. This is one of them. You want to try it again? Osobuko uko obukedo edo ise olisagbo ogbi wori eke oki gogo ogo iye rikpo logene na tamumu koko ayi bolo evulodio emetere rivi ayi tipire kegba akebe mikiri odela ilo gbeyin. All right, I'm the cocky fry.